looking at a toy, I was going to suggest that you get the left hand ready on the starting note at the beginning. So if I do that with the left hand's going to play on the treble B to play that music. B, C, B, A, G, G, okay? So if my left hand is ready and I put the right hand on to play the opening notes in the right hand, it means the hands are over the top of each other, okay? Which may seem a little bit awkward to start with, but I think you'll get used to it. Keep the left hand quite high, maybe not even touching the key. Just make sure the third finger is just hovering over the top. So the right hand's got a bit of space, and the right hand can then start the music and then move, and the left hand is there ready. Okay, so watch that again. So I've got both third fingers actually are on that B. So they're both in the same place, but the right hand starts and then it moves, but the left hand is ready. Now here, make sure you go down an octave. Okay, and the bar with the G is the same on the second time of it, where it's down an octave. All right, so watch all that again. Both third fingers are on that B note on the piano. Move down an octave. Okay, so try and get used to playing those opening 8 bars a little bit more fluently. There was some hesitations along the way, and we need to just try and get rid of those if we can. Now this week I've suggested you have a look at the last line. This is a little bit more difficult, this line, so we're going to look at the right hand first. So from bar 16, the right hand plays B and D, which then should slur up to the notes next to it, which is C and E. So if it's not written in your music, I'm going to put the fingering in, and I'm going to put a slur sign and a staccato sign. So if you haven't got that written in your music, perhaps you could ask somebody to help you. Draw in that slur, put a staccato dot over the top, and maybe put the fingering on those 2 notes as well. You can always pause the video at this point if you need to. Okay, so that first bar again, counting 1, 2, 3, all right, and again 1, 2, 3. Now here you have to do a little jump, but it's only a little jump to A and D with 2 and 5, and the timing is the timing that you've been tapping in your rhythms. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now notice that I hold the A, which is a minim 2-beat note, and I hold it to join onto the G. So there's underneath notes where the stems come down on those notes. There's a slur between that A and that G, and again we're finishing with staccato notes on those notes, on that chord there. So again, write in a slur there, so you hold that A and join it to the G, and then you're doing that rhythm melody over the top. But again, when you hit that chord at the end, both notes will be staccato. It's a staccato chord. So that particular bar takes a little bit more careful practice. Make sure you hold the 2 down and join to the G. So you've got to hold that note. All right, but you're doing it with just one hand, not with 2 hands. Okay, then the next bar we're moving again slightly. Now don't forget F sharp is in your key signature, so this is an F sharp and an A. And again we're going to slur to the last chord in that bar. Like that. So again, I'm going to put a slur and a staccato on that one as well. So draw the slur there and staccato dot under that note and that chord. And maybe I'll put the fingering on that as well, which will be 4 and 1 on the G and the D. Okay. Then we have a single staccato there. All right. And then again, that is like that one as an F sharp. And the last chord is the same as that chord. It's the same one, same notes, same fingers. Okay, so if I go from the third bar in, staccato A, F sharp, and then the chord to finish. Let's do those last 3 bars again.